So what's automatic fill and flash fill? This might seem like very common knowledge, but it is often overlooked. Imagine entering a repetitive series such as employee number or dates or anything, and then it's going to be a tedious task. So instead of that, what we can do, we can just start the series. I will start one or two numbers, and then you can just select those numbers, come to the right corner of the last cell, the square handle, and then just stretch it to the end, or you can double click as well, and it will automatically populate your series. You can fill the series, or you can even copy the numbers. So if I can understand that all these employees have joined on the same date, so I can put 15th Feb 2024, and I want to make sure that this has been copied for all the cells. So what I'll do, I'll just double click on the cell. Now right now it has filled with the series, but instead of that I'll select copy cells, and it will put everything same for all the rows. Now if I want to fill some different type of series where I want to put only weekdays, if I want to put only months which in the increasing manner, um, if I want to fill only the years in the increasing manner, but date and month should remain same. So I can do that in using this particular fill options. All this are called automatic fills, fills with series, and then there are different options available in dates. Now, what is flash fill? Flash fill is basically finds the pattern in your first cell and try to replicate the pattern in rest of the cells. So now, for an example, my full name is a combination of first and last name. So I'll put John Smith, and now what I'll do, I'll just try to use flash fill here. So what it will do, it will find the pattern in the first cell which we have put it by combining first and last name, and then it will copy the same pattern across all the rows. So that is called flash fill, where you don't need to navigate to each row and write it by yourself. It will just automatically fill the pattern by finding it from your first cell. Thank you.